Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
Hi all, welcome to my channel Civil Tech Forum. Today we'll be discussing on how to prepare a plan in 31 feet by 40 feet west facing corner site. Okay, before going to that, if you not subscribe my channel, please subscribe and press bell icon. Okay, here these are the requirement of a client. These are the list of requirements. The first one is the client want the living room, bedroom, one master bedroom with attached bathroom toilet. Okay, apart from that, separate bathroom and WC, and kitchen, two-wheeler parking, and a puja room. Okay, accordingly, based on the client requirement, we have prepared a plan. This one is the plan. The size of the site is 31 feet 4 inch and the length is 39 feet 9 inch. Okay, except even though 40 feet is considered, you can consider 40 feet also. Okay, whereas the actual size of the site is 31 feet 4 inch and 39 feet 9 inch. Okay, especially in this, according to the requirements, we have prepared a plan. Here you can see the living room. This is a living room, and on the right side of the living room we have provided a master bedroom. Okay, it is attached with bathroom and water closet. Okay, apart from that, two separate one is bathroom and WC is provided here. Okay, apart from that, as per the client requirement, we have provided a kitchen, another bedroom, as well as a puja room. Okay, these are the requirements of a client. Okay, whereas one parking is given here for the two-wheeler. Okay, suppose if they construct more than one floor, in that case, okay, they require the space for the parking. That's why we kept a good parking space. Okay, here I list out the sizes of the every room. Okay, here you can see the offsets are given. On the left side of the building, only 2 feet is given. That is this one is west facing side, as I said. Okay, so here is the north, south, west and east. On the south side we are given offset of 2 feet. Apart from that, we have a compound wall of 5 inches. Okay, and on the north side we have the offset of 2 feet 1 inch, as well as on the east side we have offset of 2 feet 9 inch. Remaining space is taken, whereas in the west side space is taken for or given for the parking space. Okay, here what we'll do, okay, we'll list out the room sizes. First one, the living room we have given, it is of 12 feet 9 inch by 15 feet, and the second one is master bedroom, it is of side 11 feet 6 inch by 10 feet 5 inch. Okay, first one, this is the width, horizontal dimension, and this is the length, the vertical dimension. Okay, and here apart from this, in the master bedroom we have the bath and WC. Size of this one is 3 feet 9 inch by 4 feet 6 inches. And apart from this, the fourth one is separate bathroom. The size of this one is 5 feet by 4 feet 9 inches. And this with one, the WC is given, separate water closet. Size of this one is 3 feet 9 inches by 3 feet 6 inches. And another bedroom is there. Size of that bedroom is 9 feet 1 inches by 9 feet 1 inches. Okay, 9 feet 1 inch by 9 feet 1 inch. And apart from that, we have the kitchen. The space of this kitchen is, the size of kitchen is 8 feet 1 inch by 9 feet 1 inch. And a puja room is also there. The size of that puja room is 2 feet 9 inch by 4 feet 3 inch. Okay, and here we have given a width of staircase around 5 feet 6 inches. That is, each flight width is of 2 feet 9 inches we have taken here. Okay, that is mainly used to use the roof as well as the upcoming floors. Okay, so these are the basic requirements of a client. So we have fulfilled within the size, the specified size, that is 31 feet 4 inches by 39 feet 9 inches. Okay, so within this area we have given all the utilities. Okay, we have given all the requirements, we have fulfilled all the requirements of a client. Apart from that, we have given a 2 feet 9 inch width utility in the east direction. Okay, that can be used for the washing of clothes and utensils. Okay, so this will be kept for, this space is kept for utility, and the parking is also there. Okay, 2 feet 9 inch width utilities we have provided, and parking space, we are given a parking space. Its width is of 9 feet 6 inch by 10 feet 6 inch. Okay, so this space is mainly used for the two-wheeler parking itself. It is a two-wheeler parking, because you cannot accommodate the four-wheelers in this less space. So apart from that, we have provided the door and windows as per Vastu requirements itself. Okay, so this is all about the drawing of or a plan of a building in a 31 feet by 40 feet west facing corner site. Okay, as I said, this is a corner site. The road is on either direction, that is in the south direction as well as in the west direction. Here we will be getting road, and in this direction also we will be getting road. This is a corner site. Mainly based on the client's requirements, we have kept a main door in the west direction. Okay, this is all about the plan of a residential building. Okay, if you really like this video, okay, or if you want more plans, you can contact me in the comment box. Okay, we will be providing the working plans also. So if you want working plans, please contact me on the comment box. And apart from this, I can suggest you the minimum sizes of the rooms. Okay, so whenever you do, or you prepare a drawing for somebody or for a client, okay, so the minimum, the space or the size to be provided. Okay, so first one, I'll be taking a living room size. So living room minimum size, you take 10, width you take 10 to 12 feet, and length you take 12 to 14 feet. This is width and this is length. Okay, so and for bedrooms, okay, based on the site size you can vary. Okay, the size of living room will vary, 10 to 12 feet you can vary the width, and 12 to okay, sometimes you can go for higher width also. These are the minimum space to be provided. Okay, so bedrooms minimum you go for 9 to 11 feet. Okay, length is also you take 9 to 11 feet. Okay, if you want, you can go more beyond than beyond these dimensions. Okay, even the bedroom or master bedroom, okay, you can use the same spacing. When it comes to kitchen, okay, you take a space of kitchen around 8 feet to 11 feet. Okay, and in this direction also 8 to 11 feet. Okay, these are the minimum dimensions. Okay, please don't go less than these dimensions. Okay, so apart from this, puja room minimum you take 2 feet 6 inches to 3 feet 6 inches width, and the length 4 feet 6 inches, or you can go for if you want, you can, okay, 4 feet to 8 feet. Okay, you can provide a length of a puja room. And when it comes to bathroom, okay, minimum dimension is 4 feet, or the minimum width will be 3 feet 6 inches to 5 feet, and the length is around 5 feet to 8 feet you can provide. And WC, water closet, the size of width is equal to 3 feet 6 inch to 4 feet, and length is equal to 3 feet 6 inch to 5 feet you can provide. Okay, when it comes to the master or attached bath and WC, in that case minimum width you keep 3 feet 6 inches to 4 feet 6 inches, and the length you provide around 4 feet to 8 feet you can provide the length. Okay, so these are the basic requirements whenever you provide a drawing or whenever you prepare a drawing. Okay, please follow these dimensions. Okay, so please don't go less than these dimensions. Okay, that may be congested. Okay, so it is better to use these dimension. Apart from that, a minimum offset you take 2 feet. Okay, from the compound the clear offset itself should be taken as 2 feet. Okay, I think you really understood this plan, and if you really like this plan or if this video, don't forget to like and subscribe our channel and press bell icon for notifications. Thank you.